It's Wednesday, guys, and we are back with another episode of Amazing A-Frames, and I would like to thank you for tuning in again to another episode. And this week is going to be amazing like always, and you can already see because I'm wearing one of the hats that is dropping this week, and I mean the fitted was going crazy, and I got no 7.5 for me because I gave it away to a customer, of course, because they flew out of the shelves. So that's the reason why we said, okay, some of you guys also want to have one of our best sellers on 940 frames, and that's the reason why we are bringing you the black and all gold ducks this week also on an A-frame. But without further ado, let's go into this. We got a lot of things to show off, more NHL hats and 2 super nice color packs and new logos, of course. And I would like to start with the NHL because I'm already wearing that, and you guys know, I mean, this is absolutely crazy. Look at the details. It's an amazing hat. It came out absolutely great. This one is shining like crazy, and we also put it on an A-frame, and that's the A-frame you can get this week online. Then, oh my god, a lot of you guys from Germany especially are huge fans of the Ottawa Senators because of Team Stützle, and this is, oh my god, look at this beautiful hat. Super nice, chrome, two-tone. We got a chrome dome and then everything in black. Visor button, and look at this beautiful 10th anniversary side patch. Red, black, gold, black snap on the back, gray UV. Beautiful hat. This is dropping this week. And then a lot of you guys were asking me, Pat, can you also bring the Fisherman on a 940 A-frame? Of course we did, and we added some special Topperzstore touch to it. The outline this time in this metallic silver pewterish style. It looks amazing on the front, all black hat, and then you got this 25 years 25th anniversary side patch, and also a black snap on the back, gray UV, black guts. The New York Islanders Fisherman is now also coming on a beautiful 940 A-frame. All right, so then we got 2 color packs, and if you watched the stream on Monday, you probably have already seen this indigo peach colorway. We are also bringing that to 940 A-frames, and those are different than, so more teams, those are different than the 5950 drop, but there are much more versions of that on the 940 A-frame. And I would like to start off with this beautiful, and they all have their special touch, right? Like the Angels, look at this beautiful with the golden details. It goes so well together. And then you got this peachy. So 2 different peaches in the front. If you turn this around, it's super shiny. It looks absolutely amazing. Beautiful hat. World Series Champions 20th anniversary side patch. And then also this blue snap on the back and peach UV. And this peach UV it's beautiful. Next one. The LA Dodgers with the World Series 24 side patch, and the LA in the front also in peach, goes so well together with the UV. Beautiful hat. All of those have black guts. And then we got the Detroit Tigers with the Comerica Park side patch, also with those peach details, and as well the peach UV also on this. Beautiful hats. They are dropping this week at Topperzstore. So, before we come to the second color pack, I would like to show off 2 new logos that we are doing. The first one is like super crazy with the golden chain and the World Series 2000 side patch for the New York Yankees. So you got the Yankees logo in the front with this crazy New York Yankees chain on it, and then black, gold, World Series 2000 side patch matching perfectly together with the front logo. Black snap, then you got a blacked out New York Yankees logo on the back too. Gray UV, black guts. This beauty is also dropping this week at Toppers. And I know a lot of you guys out there are huge baseball fans, and when it comes to baseball, especially if you're a Dodgers fan, you love Shohei Ohtani. And look at this crazy hat. I mean, come on. We needed to do something like that. When we saw that logo, it was like, yeah, we have to do that. I love Shohei Ohtani with the World Series 24 side patch. This is such a cool hat. I absolutely love that one. World Series 24, black snap on the back. Super clean hat, but very special. Gray UV, black guts. The I love Shohei Ohtani World Series 24 hat for the Los Angeles Dodgers. So, before we come to the final pack that I want to show off today, I wanted to tell you, because we lately did a lot with working on new colors, new color combos, and you will see now step by step that they are getting released, something like this for the springtime, for example. And on the 940 frame, we did a super nice combo with dark graphite and black. So we call this like tarmac. It looks like a tarmac two-tone, very sneaky, and we made it for 3 teams. The first one is the New York Yankees, and look at this with the silver. It looks absolutely amazing. Then you got the 99 World Series side patch, and you can see here it's quite a sneaky two-tone, but this is like a perfect everyday hat with the black snap, and then you got this dark graphite tarmac looking combo. Beautiful hat. Gray UV, black guts, black snap, and we have 2 more versions. The second one is the Chicago White Sox. And boy, oh boy, this came out really good with the Sox logo in the front. We got this World Series champion side patch on the side with the 2 bats. It looks really badass. Absolutely nice. Also here, black snap on the back. And last but not least, the LA Dodgers with the World Series champion side patch. So you got this silver LA in the front. And then you got the World Series Champions 24 side patch. Beautiful side patch combo. All of these hats are super wearable everyday hats. This is this pack that I also wanted to show off to you. Let me know in the comments below what were your favorite hats of this week that I showed off, and which teams and which side patches would you like to see next at Topperzstore. Let me know in the comments. I'm always here, and I'm always listening to you guys. And if you like the video, of course, also hit the like button. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please also hit the subscribe button, and this will help the channel a lot. And you can join the Topperzstore family here on YouTube. It's completely free, and I would highly appreciate that. I would like to thank you guys for tuning in again, and I hope to see you again on Sunday, where I'm showing off my top 3 fitted hats from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA, and as well on Monday on our next stream, Cap Talk episode 186, where we are showing off all the fitted hats from Topperzstore USA and Topperzstore Europe that are dropping over the upcoming week. So thank you guys very much. I'm out. Bye.